So the Quran speaks of 125,000 prophets. To know if all these 125,000 prophets are in the past, or are there some yet to come, or is the promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam the last of all prophets?
But you speak Arabic, don't you?
Yes, Huzur.
Why don't you question?
Normally I prepare my...
Why don't you frame your question in Arabic? Why don't you do that?
Normally, Huzur, I prepare my questions in advance in Arabic.
So you translate into Arabic.
Because he was born in this country, that's why I find it a bit difficult sometimes.
The Holy Quran doesn't say 120,000. Where does it say? I don't remember any verse. You remember? So why you have made a new verse? Enough verses in the Holy Quran. Quite sufficient for us if we understand them. But there is no verse of the Holy Quran. Only 25 prophets are mentioned in the Quran. Not 120,000. Just 25. And those 25 include the very best among them. Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So it reminds us of a prophecy of Mukashvat, of the New Testament as a book, Mukashvat, which indicates that from heaven many thrones descended. Each was occupied by a prophet. And that was one, there was one which was above everybody else. Now, it doesn't mention Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam there, but in the Quran you read 25 prophets are mentioned, and Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is Khatamun Nabiyyin. So Mukashvat, the prophecy of Mukashvat, is beautifully fulfilled in the appearance of Hazrat Rasulullah Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So only 25 prophets are mentioned in the Quran. That is a hadith which you are referring to, that 120,000 prophets came in the world in every age.